How do I make my favorite recipes healthier? Let's jump right in. For mashed potatoes, use chicken broth and skim milk as your liquid base and add flavor and texture with Parmesan cheese and garlic instead of butter and whole milk. For gravies, place them in the refrigerator so as to harden and make the fat visible, and then remove all the fat. For a green bean casserole, cook fresh green beans with cubed potato chunks instead of a creamy soup. Top the casserole off with roasted sliced almonds instead of fried onions. For baked dessert recipes, substitute each whole egg with 2 egg whites. Use evaporated skim milk instead of heavy cream in delectables such as cheesecakes and cream pies. Instead of frosting, top cakes off with a sprinkle of powdered sugar, fruit sauce, or better yet, fresh fruit. In the mood for a healthy eggnog, blend the following ingredients together until smooth. 4 bananas, 1½ cups of skim milk, 1½ cups of plain non-fat yogurt, and 1/4 teaspoon of rum extract. Sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg on top and you have a delicious and nutritious alternative. I'm Dr. Santo and this has been your LVB Minute.